Hello everybody. I made another video. You can look back at my videos where I cleaned this cement drive, and you notice it's got cracks in it. Well, today I'm going to use some Crack Magic, stuff I bought several years ago that I have to use every year or two when the cracks come back. So that's what we're going to do in this video, is see if we can fix these cracks. Okay, first what we got to do is kind of lightly dampen down the concrete. Okay. Okay, and after we do that, we'll dampen it again with a water hose. You just lightly do this, you don't want to wash it out. And that's all there are to it. I'll finish all these other cracks up, but you can take the broom and sweep this down again a little bit to smooth it on out. Crackmagic.com is where you go to buy this. I've used this for several years. You have to do it about every year or every 2 years. But that's how it works. Make sure you subscribe and hit like. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, and it makes it worthwhile for me to make these videos. Thanks for watching.